guys, it's Leon from Airsoft. From today, I'll be starting a brand new series about teching with Airsoft replicas. On our first episode today, we'll be talking about the G-Series and the G-Series MOS replicas, about the differences, because this is one of our most frequent questions we receive on your Facebook, Instagram, and other social media accounts. So we'll talk about them right now. As we were speaking, a lot of our audience are asking about what's the difference between the G-Series normal replicas and the G-Series MOS replicas. So there's a lot of things that are different from both of them. So I'd like to describe it to you guys one by one so you guys would understand it. So a lot of our responses we get on Instagram and Facebook is about our newest MOS series. People are curious about a lot of things, so I thought I'd mention them on one video here. So firstly, one of the major differences between the G-Series and the MOS is the nozzle. One of the major questions that we've been asked is, can the G-Series nozzle be put into the MOS BBU? The answer is no, it cannot be. And here is why. So if you disassemble the gun and take out the BBU, you see one of the major differences of the nozzle. The nozzle on the G-Series is more rounded on the top, as you can see on the screen here, whereas the nozzle for the G-Series MOS is more flat on the top. Which means the G-Series nozzle cannot be put into the MOS BBU and vice versa. The reason of this new design is because the BBU of the MOS has to accommodate the use of red dot mounting plates on the top. Also, the gas inlet on the BBU has also been redesigned on the MOS series. This here is a G-Series nozzle gas inlet, whereas this is the WB G-Series MOS inlet. Notice that the G-Series MOS gas inlet is more squared, whereas the G-Series is more rectangular. And that's one of the main reasons why that the nozzle on the G-Series cannot be used onto the MOS. One of the major reasons that we have redone the G-Series and the G-Series MOS nozzles is because the G-Series MOS has to accommodate the weight and the use of red dot optic on top of the slide, which means more weight, and to achieve a better efficiency, we have redesigned the gas route and also the nozzle. And in addition to that, the nozzle design is also to accommodate the new magazine gas outlet design, which I will describe in the next part. As you can see here, the outlet of the MOS magazine is square, whereas it is consistent to the square design of the inlet on the MOS nozzle. In comparison, the G-Series magazine gas outlet is rectangular, which is not consistent with the MOS square shape. And that is why the nozzle and the magazine of the G-Series and the MOS is not compatible to each other. Hence, when you're buying magazines for your MOS replica, please look for the magazine with the red dot sight words on the box. When you're buying magazines for your G-Series replica, please look for the box without the red dot sight mark. Buying the wrong magazine will potentially cause a loss of efficiency and a great gas loss in your replica. Thank you for watching Airsoft's videos. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more of our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and see you for now. WB Leon.